Hello friends, and this is how we are taking a nice plastic here. We are giving colors to this plastic in such a way after folding the green part and putting the eyes on top. This is how we are making a nice pineapple kind of look here, and this way we can have this drawing. Next one, it's a plastic we have taken. We are giving colors in such a way, different colors we are trying to make so that we can make a nice aquatic animal look here. This is how we are designing our aquatic animal, and different colors are there, grasses can be designed there, and this way it's very lovely scene of nice aquatic animals. Using the same plastic paper, this is how we are giving red colors, and using our craft paper we are designing a nice fish. This is a nice red fish is there. Another plastic we have cut it out. We are trying to paste it on top of this black sheet, coloring it out further so that we can have this nice pattern look here, and this is how we can design our own sweet corn. This is a nice sweet corn, ready sweet corn, and it's very happy and enjoying in this nice rainy season. This is how we can design it.